Welcome to Vizkits. If you're here, you've either attended our Get Accredited Ready training or you've just got a specific interest in Tableau. The training covers all you need to know to pass the Desktop Specialist and Data Analyst exams. Stick around at the end of the exercise solution for more information. By the end of the 18 exercise solutions, you'll end up with 4 interactive dashboards just like these. The content in this solution video covers the following material from the training: creating a shared axis bar chart, creating a stacked bar chart, and creating a dual axis chart. From page 40 then, we're going to do the solution for exercise 4.2. Quite a short one this. Obviously we've learned how to create a shared axis chart, a stacked bar chart, a dual axis chart during the training. We're going to apply some of what we've learned to some of the worksheets that we've already built and also create a few new worksheets. So the first thing I'm going to do is, again, make sure you're in your My Get Accredited workbook, and we're going to go to the sales by product drill down. I'm going to right click on the sum of sales pill and I want to re-show the header. So we've got our profit measure here, and what we want is we want to see a sales bar and a profit bar for each one of our subcategories or each one of our categories, depending on where we are in the hierarchy. And to do that, we could use measure names and measure values manually, but actually we know Tableau can help us quite a bit. And if I drag profit onto the sales axis until we've got the 2 green bars and drop it there, then Tableau actually invokes measure names and measure values for us. So you can see we've now got measure values on the column shelf, measure names on the rows shelf, we've got measure names in the filter shelf, and we've got the new measure values section of the marks card. We're going to use the control key to copy drag the measure names pill from the rows shelf onto colour. So we're not dragging it off the rows shelf, we're using the control key to copy drag that onto colour, so we get a separate colour for each of our measures. And I want sales to be on top, so I'm just going to reorder that. I'm going to change that fit to entire view. We're going to right click on the value axis and we're going to untick show header. And then we're going to click on the colour section and we're going to edit the colours, and we want sales, so double click sales and we can use black. And then we're going to use orange for the profit. Sorry, profit's going to be grey in this instance, my mistake. Click on apply and click on OK. Make sure you save the workbook. We're now going to create a stacked bar chart. So we're going to go to the sales by employee worksheet. From the bottom section of the data pane, we're actually going to bring profit status onto the colour section of the marks card, and we've now got a breakdown of those sales for that category broken down by which status they fall into. Save the workbook, and finally we're going to create a dual axis. We did create a dual axis earlier when we did the employee profit breakdown, but I'm actually going to use it to bring another measure onto the view this time. So I'm going to go into the sales over time worksheet. From the bottom of the data pane, I'm going to drag profit onto the row shelf to the right of the sum of sales pill. We know now, because we've got 2 green pills, we've got 2 separate axes. In the sum of sales marks card, I'm going to change the mark type to a bar. Just tick that because it's selected. And then I'm going to right click on the profit pill in the rows shelf and choose dual axis. Now these 2 axes that are opposite each other are actually using 2 different scales at the moment. We want them to use the same scale, so right click and synchronize axes. Both axes are now using the same scale. We're going to rename the sheet to sales and profit. overtime. And then we're going to save that workbook. And that's the end of the solution for exercise 4.2. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, follow and subscribe, as I'll be posting a lot more content than just the exercise solutions. And if you're interested in attending the training, then visit our website vizkits.co.uk. There's a course every week, and for only £99 you get a one-day online course that will cover all of the material that you need to know to pass the Tableau Certified Desktop Specialist and Tableau Certified Data Analyst exams. All delegates are given a 100+ page exercise manual containing 18 detailed exercises to complete offline. The exercises will test what you have learned and give the trainer an idea of how well you've learned the material. All exercise solutions are available as videos on YouTube, so if you get stuck, there's help available online. You'll need to submit the completed exercise workbook to the training for evaluation about a week after the course. The trainer will then schedule a 1-hour online face-to-face meeting to discuss your strengths and weaknesses and advise you if you're exam ready and what you need to work on. If you just want the exercise solution manual, then that's available as well for £19.99. See you all on the next video.